In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize header in Shopify. By the end, you'll feel confident updating your store's header so it looks polished and fits your brand. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your secure credentials. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all your store's design settings live. Find your active theme and click the button to edit or customize the theme. This opens the Theme Editor, which lets you change the look and feel of your store in real time. Inside the editor, locate the header section in the sidebar and click it. This is the control center for your top bar. Here, you can edit the header text, like your store name or the labels for your navigation links. Keep your text concise and clear. If your theme allows, you can choose which menu to display in the header. Make sure your most important pages, like Shop, About, and Contact, are easy to find. Next, upload or adjust your logo image in the header settings. Use a high-quality logo with a transparent background for the best result, and pay attention to the recommended dimensions to avoid blurriness. Most themes let you tweak the logo size so it looks balanced with the rest of the header. From there, refine your brand look by changing colors, fonts, and spacing. Pick a color that ensures good contrast with your text so everything stays readable. Choose a font that matches your brand tone and is easy to read at smaller sizes. Adjust spacing and padding so the header doesn't feel cramped on desktop or too tall on mobile. You can also add or remove elements like a search bar or cart icon. If you have a larger catalog, a search bar can help customers find products faster. If your theme supports a sticky header, consider enabling it so key navigation stays visible as people scroll. Use the device preview icons to check how your header looks on desktop and mobile views. Make sure logos aren't cut off, menus are easy to tap, and everything aligns neatly. When you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply all your header customizations. That's it. Your header is updated. Visit your storefront to confirm everything looks and functions the way you expect. If something feels off, hop back into the editor, fine-tune the settings, and save again. With these adjustments, your Shopify header will look professional, on brand, and ready to welcome customers.